Hello everyone, today we have a new way. I hope you enjoy it and learn. It's important that whenever I ask you, pause to think out your answer, so don't just sit back and listen to it, so you can get the best results from doing that. Let's start. To say it is in Arabic is simply the. To say normal طبيعي عادي طبيعي عادي. To say it's normal, how we can say this? Try to think. ده طبيعي or ده عادي. ده طبيعي ده عادي. To say it isn't, say ده مش. So how would you say it isn't normal? Try to think. ده مش طبيعي or عادي. ده مش عادي or ده مش طبيعي. ده مش طبيعي or ده مش عادي. To say important, say مهم. To say it's important, try to think. ده مهم. To say it's not important, ده مش مهم. Word for me in Arabic is simply بالنسبة لي. So how would you say it's for me? ده بالنسبة لي. How would you say it's not for me? ده بالنسبة لي مش. Do you remember word important? مهم. How would you say it's important for me? ده مهم بالنسبة لي. Word day in Arabic is يوم. So how would you say it's important day? Try to think. It's very easy. ده يوم مهم. It's not important day in Arabic. ده يوم مش مهم. Word something in Arabic is حاجة. Something important. حاجة مهمة. We say مهمة, not مهم, because in Arabic we have masculine and feminine for things. Okay? So word حاجة itself is feminine word in Arabic. So we say مهمة because we speak about the something which is حاجة, word حاجة itself. Okay? so we say حاجة مهمة not حاجة مهم. we say حاجة مهمة. It's something important for me. Try to think. ده حاجة مهمة بالنسبة لي or دي حاجة مهمة بالنسبة لي. we say ده or دي depend on the something we speak about. If we speak about something masculine, we will say ده. If we speak about something feminine, we will say دي. And حاجة مهمة بالنسبة لي is the same for both. Okay. Do you remember word normal? طبيعي or عادي. It's normal for me. How would you say this? ده طبيعي or عادي بالنسبة لي. ده طبيعي بالنسبة لي. ده عادي بالنسبة لي. Impossible مستحيل. مستحيل. It's impossible. ده مستحيل. ده مستحيل. It's not impossible. ده مش مستحيل. ده مش مستحيل. Do you remember word something? حاجة. Something impossible. حاجة مستحيلة. حاجة مستحيلة. If you want to say word now in Arabic, say دلوقتي. 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 So how would you say now it's impossible? دلوقتي ده مستحيل. دلوقتي ده مستحيل. This is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Tell me your opinion in comments and share and like and subscribe please. Bye bye.